Nothing in my life is going right now.
I don't know how people do it.
You stay on my mind. It takes some finesse. I seen you finesse. He can't no finesse. You stay on my mind.
Hey everyone, it's Lolo back with another video, and I don't really know if I can say that because the last time I posted a video was like almost a year ago. But I am back and I have a special get ready with me / current playlist video for y'all today. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. This is too slow. I can't. I'm so pretty. I'm a bitch. I'm so pretty. You can go your own way. Go your own way. Honestly, I don't even know what look I'm going for. I'm just kind of winging it. So, I mean, if I'm ugly, then, you know, I don't know what to show. Oh, hey, Mom. I just got concealer in my eyeball. Okay, so I had to put my hair up because it just kept getting in my face. It kept getting in my freaking face. As we all know, a good look starts with a good face. Am I right? I don't have that. Miss me with that bullshit. You ain't really wild, you a tourist. Literally, this is so orange. I can't. I don't even have like a translucent color anymore. Okay, honestly, I'm not gonna have y'all get on me for old music because I know that a lot of this is old, but it's still my current playlist, so... Now that your girl's eyelids are orange, I'm gonna move on to the color that I don't even know. I'm gonna do an orange look since my eyelids are already orange. Yay. They look like this. Yeah. For me, for me, for me, for me. Girl, you look good, but you're bad at it. Now I really don't know what I'm gonna do. I might do like an orange smoky eye. I don't know. No, yeah, actually I do. Okay, so I'm gonna take this color and apply it to my lid and kind of create like a red orange smoky eye. Yeah. Okay, so basically nothing in my life right now is going the way I want it to, because obviously I look a lot different from the last clip, and that's because the whole time I was recording I was out of focus. My phone died, my laptop died, like this video is not meant to be, or maybe it is and I just ruined it. but anyway, so what I did was I mixed a bunch of cranberry shades on my eyelid, and then I blended it out with like this color right here, like this orange color, and so then I came up with this, and then of course I applied eyeliner and mascara. Like, it missed out on a bunch. I should have checked it, but you know. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to the face now. Sorry for the lack of video, but you know. Okay, let's get this going again. me apply some primer. Out of down, gone. Future took the business and ran it for me. I let Ali take the out, told him brand it for me. I get 2 million of popping that stand it for me. Like I went blind, dog, you gotta hand it to me. Gotta give me that shit, dog. Pray. I did not moisturize. See what I mean? This is what I mean when I say nothing in my life is going the way I want it to right now. I don't even... Okay, now I'm gonna contour. I really don't know why I'm like this. I'm really sorry. Oh baby, I die every night with you. So nose contour is my favorite because I have a big nose, you know. Take it to Chanel cause she fine. Take it to Chanel cause she fine. Take it to Chanel cause she fine. What you said? Now I'm gonna move on to highlight. Every girl's favorite except for me. I don't really care about highlight, but whatever. I used to care so much about highlight, and then I was just like, no. You know what I'm saying? Got the money on my mind now. When it's time now, tell me to keep on my side now. We gon' find out. They gon' say I'm too lame, but it's real true. I don't want no other things, but I want you. Also, yes, I do apply highlight with my fingers, so take me if you want to. It's lash time. I hate how long it takes to do your eyelashes. Like, I'm so impatient when the glue is drying. And I should be doing something else in the meantime, but I don't. So I just get impatient. And then lash glue ends up all over my eyelid. Low-key, I might have to do this off camera. Because I don't know about this. I don't know about this. It's making me nervous. It's making me nervous. Let me see. My eyelashes are drying-ish, kind of. So I'm going to do my bottom eyeshadow because I always wait until after I apply foundation. I hit your phone. I'm gonna use these 2 colors right here. So yeah, had to get a text from me. Anything you want, you can have it. Honey, you a bad bitch. They don't know what I'm saying. You don't listen to nonsense. Get it on her own. No, she don't need a sponsor. Yeah, mama, get your bread, mama. Okay, now I'm applying mascara again to combine my lashes with the falsies. And I'm gonna apply it to my bottom lashes. I watch other girls when they come to bug you, but I feel like I need you, so I just wanted to hug you. Low-key, I think I'm gonna be done with this look. I'm just gonna apply lipstick, and this is Top 8 by Color. Tell me about all your insecurities, boy. Said you need some time and I should stick around for it. Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. Low down, dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know what the frick is going on with my hair is what I need to know. Alright guys, so that concludes my get ready with me / current playlist. I really want to do just a separate video for all my current favorite musics. My musics, just as another video. So if you're interested in that, then definitely comment or like this video. Just leave any suggestions, honestly. My next video is going to be a Halloween video, so if you have any suggestions for that, then that would be awesome too. But until then, have a good day and I will see you next time. Bye!